Are you looking for the best cyclone dust collector? In this video, we will break down the top 4 cyclone dust collectors on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Jet JCDC 1.5 horsepower Cyclone Dust Collector. It is a two-stage unit, a great feature that delivers greater cubic feet per minute (CFM) of airflow as compared to single-stage dust collectors with comparable horsepower. Therefore, with the 763 CFM of this collector, expect it to suck more particles in less time than most collectors with an equal rating. The top-grade unit comes with a 1.5 HP motor that delivers powerful performance to keep your woodshop looking cleaner than ever before. The dust drum comes with quick-release levers. This feature pairs with the smooth rolling casters to make emptying the unit a breeze. The swivel casters also make moving the extractor around your shop a cinch even when the dust drum is loaded. The machine also comes with a high-quality radio frequency remote control. At number 2. Jet JCDC 3 Cyclone Dust Collector Kit. Jet is one of the most popular brands of cleaning tools like a dust collector and offers a wide range of models. As you would expect, it also makes a cyclone-style dust collector for both industrial and consumer usage that offers great performance. It offers an excellent build quality that is even better than most of the more expensive options out there. Apart from having a great build quality, you also get a 5-year-long warranty with this cyclone dust collector. This means that you can rely on this dust collector for a long time and clean a lot of dust over time without facing any reliability issues as such. At number 3. Grizzly Industrial G06377 Cyclone Dust Collector. This cyclone dust collector is suitable for medium to large shops that have numerous machines running simultaneously. It is equipped with a 10-inch intake hole and can make 3,468 CFM of suction. The body features 26-gauge steel, and the stand features 13-gauge steel. There are two 55-gallon drums for a total capacity of 110 gallons. The machine features 220 volts or 440-volt 3-phase system 7.5 HP. There is an 18-inch impeller and 261 square feet of filter surface area. At number 4. Grizzly Industrial G04413 HP Cyclone Dust Collector. This is a huge growling beast. The industrial steel frame and mountings add quite a bit of weight to an already heavy machine, weighing in at a hefty 347 lbs. Once installed, you're not going to be moving it. At a height of 109, this is a tall structure. The powerful 3 HP motor is also at the top with an absolutely massive and very effective filter bag to the side. At the bottom, an equally impressive 55-gallon collection drum takes care of the heavy debris. The total width is 60¼ and it measures 38½ from front to back. As you can imagine, the huge 55-gallon drum is going to be heavy when full, so it's a great relief that this is mounted on casters that make it much easier to move. It has a maximum SP rating of 14.2 inches. Though when connecting directly to the 8 inches port, the SP at the inlet is 2 inches. This will increase as you use adapters to reduce the pipe size. A 2 inches restrictor plate will increase the static pressure at the inlet port to 13.8. This is a natural effect when restricting the airflow with a lower diameter. This dust collector is designed to maximize its power and efficiency. The 15.5 inches steel impeller is both very robust and highly effective, generating an airflow of 1654 fpm at a 2 inches static pressure (SP).